Hello everyone, welcome back to CONNIEMARTS TV. So in this video we're making this yummy and delicious cornbread, guys. It's looking so yummy and fluffy. As you can see, my portion has been served already, guys. Okay, let's dive into the video. Hi guys, so this is our ingredients for our yummy cornbread. Yeah, so I have my whole milk. This is yellow cornmeal flour. This is all-purpose flour. I've got my salt, egg, vegetable oil, baking powder, and my sugar. So you can substitute the oil with melted butter and it works perfectly fine, guys. Let's dive into it. The cornbread, you know, and when you guys, so this is our cornbread. That's looking fluffy and yummy. Yeah, it's looking yummy. I mean, you can make it more golden brown. Yeah, more golden brown as you wish. Yep. Make sure you don't make it so dry. Yeah. Ah, it's so yummy. Guys, you are invited, okay? Forget about my sizes and get right here and let's have this yummy cornbread. Yeah, so cornbread, I mean, it can be eaten with anything, like literally anything, with some butter or some cereal, okay? Looks like it's not well cut. Yep. This is how it's looking like so yummy. Tight, as you can see, right? Yeah. So guys, as you can see, you are invited. Yes, yeah. Can have a little butter on the top. And it's going to melt. Yeah, it's going to melt for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye. You are in